Hi my lovely people, welcome to my channel. So today I just want to appreciate you guys, my subscribers. Thank you so much. It's been over 1 month I started posting here and I just hit my first 100 subscribers, so I'm so grateful to you guys. Thank you so much. Please keep watching, keep standing by me. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell in case I drop a new video. I'm sure you're going to learn 1 or 2 things from this channel. Thank you so much. This video is just to show you the simple trick to use if you can't attach your extension hair while you cornrow. You can still use this method and get your desired length. Thank you. Let's keep watching. So firstly, I'm just going to apply this leave-in conditioner because this my hair, I'm so scared to put my comb inside it, so I just want to apply this leave-in conditioner for easy combing. I'm just trying to section this hair into 2 because I'm going to make 2 cornrows. So I'm trying to section this hair. I'm trying to give it something curvy in the front, so it's not just be something regular center pattern down. I just want it to be something little unique, even if it's not too unique. It should just be a little bit unique. That's why I'm making curve in the front. So the secret to making a straight part, because no one has eye at the back, so if you want to make a straight part at the back, you just have to keep your comb straight down. Do not raise it up, keep it straight down. You're going to get that straight part because you can't see your back. So that's how I part the back of my hair and it works for me. So you just have to keep your comb straight down. Do not move the comb. Yes, see that? I think it's straight enough for someone that did that by herself. I think it's straight enough. So that's it. I'm just going to set one of the 2 sections apart and work with one. Before starting this cornrow, I have to apply my gel to help gather this hair together. You can use any gel of your choice. Now I have to start from that angle because I don't want it to be a straight down cornrow, so I have to start from that angle to make it curvy. I'm sure you all know how to braid or make cornrow, but if you don't know how to cornrow, I'm not too sure how to explain it by words, but you can actually see the way I exchange the hairs with my fingers. So but as you braid down, make sure you untangle the tip of the hair, because as you braid, the braids are really forming at the tip of the hair. So make sure you untangle as you braid down. So now we are just going to braid till we get to the bottom of the hair. That's where we start adding our tricks. now I'm just adding the hair now. So you just have to braid and add, braid and add. You just have to keep doing that till you get your desired length. I needed my hair to be so long, so I have to keep adding and keep adding and keep adding till I get to the length I want. I chose this shade of extension hair because I think it's closer to my hair color. You can actually choose your extension hair depending on your hair color. I'm leaving this hair purposely because I'm going to add some curls to it. So now I'm done with one part. I'll go over to the other part and do exactly what I did in the other side. As you can see, as I'm braiding, I'm adding hair so that I'll get my desired length, then I can stop adding the hair. Now that I'm done braiding, I'm just going to lay my edges. I'm not perfect at laying edges, but I'm just going to do it anyway, so don't expect it to be perfectly laid. I'm just going to manage it like that. Now I'm going to wrap this hair up while I do my makeup and stuff like that. So now I'm going to roll the tip of this hair, this braiding hair. I'm going to roll it on this hair roller because I need to get some curls. So as I roll it, I'm going to put it in a hot water. Make sure the water is boiled. You just have to make sure the water is boiled. You leave it there for about 1 or 2 minutes. You get it out. You mustn't use this hair roller. This is the one available to me at the moment. That's why I'm using it. So you can use, there are so many rollers out there, perm rod, straw. You can use any one of your choice. So this is the one I have at the moment. Let's add some spice to this hair and see what the curls look like. Now here's the color I got from it. I wasn't expecting much anyway. You guys need to see the length of this hair. It's just okay. It's just perfect the way I want it to be. Honestly, I just like this hair. I'm so happy to achieve this style, this look. Thank you so much for watching. So please do give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because you're going to be seeing me often these days. Subscribe to my channel and make sure to turn on the notification bell as you subscribe so you'll be alerted each time I drop a new video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Bye.